Welcome to Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to set up your document for the 12 symbols project. So I'm using a letter size document in portrait mode, portrait orientation. I'm just going to hit create. So all I need to do here is make a square and then duplicate that square and align and distribute it with two more next to it, and then make a row that is grouped and distribute three more rows below that top row. So here's what I do. I'm just going to take the rectangle tool. I'm going to press and hold shift on the keyboard and make a square. Because remember, shift constrains objects to, in this case, being a square. If you were using the ellipse tool, it would make it a circle. So I've got one square. I'm going to press and hold the Option key on the keyboard. I'm going to drag that square to the right. And then I'm going to do that again to make another one. Okay, if I want to move these a little further apart, I can select the outer ones and use the arrow keys to do that. And then I'm going to select all three and I'm going to align them. Okay, I'm actually going to move these a little off so that they're not perfectly lined up, just to demonstrate that the align tool, so when I select multiple objects, the align tools show up here. It says align, I click it, and you can see there are align for horizontal, there are align tools for vertical, and what I want to do is align these objects vertically, and then I want to distribute them horizontally. Okay, and that just puts equal space between them. Okay, I'm going to use the arrow key to move them up. And then I'm going to group them. So I could go to the object menu and choose group, or press Command G. I'm going to option drag that group twice, 3 times. And once again, I just moved it a little off. And you're going to see these may not fit on my page. That's okay. I'm going to scale them once I have them all aligned. So I'm going to select them. I'm going to align the left edges. And then I'm going to distribute them vertically. So vertical distribute center. And they do kind of fit. So I can arrow key them into place. If I want to scale them a little smaller, I can hold the shift key and scale from one of the corners, and then move this one down maybe, select them again, and distribute them again vertically. And that is basically that. Now, what I can do is use my layers palette. So this is going to be these are my boxes. I'll label it. I can lock that layer and make a new layer to make my other items on the objects that I'm going to make. If I want to change the color of one of these boxes, I need to unlock that layer, select a box, and I'm going to select it with the direct selection tool, because remember, these are grouped into rows. So if I select a row or if I select something with the selection tool, the regular selection tool, and I want to change one box to black, I can't. I need to directly select the direct selection tool to change that. And that's it.